welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 2 non-dairy smoothie recipes. The recipes will be linked in the description, so make sure to check them out. Please subscribe for more cooking, fashion, and lifestyle videos. The first smoothie is layered with strawberry and mango bases. The recipe says to use mangoes, orange juice, honey, and strawberries. I gathered all my ingredients, and for step 1, for the mango layer, you start by taking half a cup of mangoes. So I'm just going to take my mangoes and measure it out. Once you have your half a cup, you can start by putting it in your blender. And just put that to the side. And then you take 3/4 cup of orange juice. You take a tablespoon of honey. Your mango layer should look something like this. Now you just put the lid on, nice and tight, and blend. For the next layer, you can take your strawberries and take half a cup of strawberries and put that into your mixer. Then you can take your 3/4 cup of orange juice. Next, take a tablespoon of honey. Next, take your mango layer and mix your strawberry layer. Now you have your finished product. The recipe says to use 2 cups of strawberries, 1 banana, half a cup of soy milk or almond milk, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I decided to half the recipe because my blender is small. So the first step is to take 1 cup of strawberries. So once you have your strawberries, you can put them in your cup. Next step is to take half your banana and put it in the blender. Next, you want to take your soy milk and put 1/4 cup. Next, you want to take 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Now you can enjoy your strawberry banana smoothie.